Hello guys, this is me, Kokosing Valley Channel speaking. Why you don't see my layout is because it's at a different location. It's at my family farm. And I've just been working on not too much of it because I've been so busy at the house. All the locomotives are at the house and engines and stuff. But the engines you see here on the layout are dummy locomotives. Such as the Santa Fe, the New York Central, the Union Pacific, and the other Union, and a dummy unit. So there are several locomotives on here which are just pretty much dummy units. And then pretty much the layout consists of a sharp bend for the trolley track, all the way up the line, and then back around. And I gotta tear out another switch and just make this a closed circuit. So right now it's just trying to get everything back to normal on this layout. There are some projects I need to do on here, but I'll get to them sometime. Right now this is just one of the layouts I have. And it's a project just to get everything running again. I'll probably be down here during the winter time and maybe work on it. And I'll do a review on my friend's layout, which I'll be working on next. So there's a lot of replacement of track. I need to take up some sections and then just replace this all with flex track or something. So eventually there will be the same with over there with the cross track. There were some switches, so it's just right now trying to fix every power connection on this layout and fix it the way it should have been. And it's just nice to have a small little town where you can just have fun with it. And it's not the most detailed layout in the world. It's just something I built, and somebody did the tape work and there were tracks originally on it. So I come down here when I have time and just work on stuff. All those containers over there are full of cars. There are cars in the container down here and just in random locations. They're just cluttered. They're boxes that never been opened. They're very large kits. And just stuff. It's just, you know, I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. And over here I got stuff on shelf. This is nothing but cars and cabooses and all that. That's all nothing but cars and cabooses. And just random clutter and just stuff I'll be working on. It's just, I'll probably get down here in the winter and just start packing things up and organizing and marking down, and I'll do that one of these days. But you guys have a nice time. This is Kokosing Valley Member, signing out.